Okay, picture this. If humans can get goosebumps, is it like our skin has a built-in alarm system? Like, who decided bumpy skin was the best response to fear? And speaking of strange human features, why do we blink so much? Are we just recharging our eyes like phone batteries? And here's another thing. How do clocks actually work? We set them to follow time, but time doesn't care about clocks. It's just happening. Oh, and have you ever thought about the fact that you can never see your own face in real time? You're always looking at reflections or pictures, but never the actual face. Is that why mirrors feel so weird? And wait, why are we the only creatures who say bless you after sneezing? Are sneezes just micro-exorcisms, and we've all just been ignoring it? And if time flies when you're having fun, does it just crawl when you're bored? Like, are we time bending without knowing it?